Hello everyone, today I have a review of a knife from a Chinese premium brand. It's the Kizer company, model Aggressor. The box contains two stickers. I love this kind of additions. A wipe with the manufacturer's logo and name. Leaflet. Spare screws. Additionally, a Velcro patch with the Christmas and knife accent. It looks very funny. And of course the knife itself. Total length is 18.8 centimeters, blade length is 7.6 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 154 cm, it's a high-class American stainless steel. The analog of Japanese ATS-34 steel, tempered between 58 to 61 HRC, keeps the sharpness very well. Flat grind, stone wash finish. On one side of the blade is the name and logo of the manufacturer, Kizer. Steel, 154 cm. And model code, it's a V3629C1. On the other, a full name of the model, Aggressor. And Assassin. Assassin Knives is the designer of this knife. Liner lock, opening with the front flipper, which is located at the top of the knife, not on the side of the handle, as in the case of a classic flipper. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of green micarta. Deep carry pocket clip without any motif. Backspacer with the hole for paracord. In summary, as I mentioned before, Kizer is a premium brand with very good quality knives. Aggressor is one of my favorite models from this company. It fits perfectly in the hand. Interesting but simple design. Perfect size for EDC. The mechanics work perfectly. For several weeks I walk at the house and click with this knife every often. So it slowly becomes unbearable for household. So be careful, because this is a great and very addictive knife. That's all this review. Thanks for watching.